It's your boy AZ Moto YZ boy back with y'all with a video how to change a rear bumper impact crash absorber. It's the left and the right one for the back bumper. So what you want to do is, alright, I know I already have them off and everything because this one's, yeah, obviously the back's already crashed as you see, so we're going to be changing the bumper and getting all this out. So what you want to do is, there's 3 of these on each one, which is one right here, one down here, and then there's another one right here, which you gotta go under right here by the muffler, and then use about a 1/2 inch or a 13th wrench. And these ones you can use a 13 socket on each side. And then you got these brackets right here, which mount onto these right here, which those you just pull them out on both sides. There's 2 of them, and that's pretty much how you would take that off. And then there's another one right here. It's about the same. It's a 1/2 inch or a 13 socket that goes in right here on the side right here, which after you take that one out, you see that's how the piece is right there, which is that bolt is holding that from the back. And after you take that out, it should just release, pull out, and that's how you take their impact absorber out. So if y'all, I'm gonna do another video how to put it back on. If y'all want to stay tuned to the next, maybe the next day or so, I'll have another video up with that. So that's how you take that out. That's 2007. I think it could be to a 2004 to a 2007 Cadillac Cts rear bumper back impact absorber. So like and subscribe to the videos, and I'll be putting up some more videos. Appreciate it. If y'all need help with anything, just put a comment down in the video, and I'll help y'all as much as I can from what I've did so far. Alright, thank you, appreciate it. It's back at AZ Moto YZ boy.